it's Rebecca McKernan with Own Boise, and I'm excited to show you the sneak peek of a wonderful home that we have in Rockhampton. Let's take a look. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, entertainer's delight with large family rooms, a great big kitchen. Some of my favorite features are the tiled walk-in showers in both the master bathroom and the second bathroom. You're going to love living in this home. Thanks for watching this sneak peek. If you have any questions, give me a call. My information's below.